Today we're going to be cleaning out the carburetor. You can do a rebuild kit or just get a completely new carburetor. The kits are about $10 to $15 and the whole carburetor is about $30 to $40. But if you have the OEM carburetor, I'd recommend just cleaning it on your own or getting a rebuild kit. The OEM carburetor will last you a long time if you just keep it clean. So pretty easy. You're going to have to remove the air box and the carburetor is just right under there. Just some basic tools, Phillips, flathead, a wrench with a long extension. You'll need I think a 7mm, a 14mm, and a 10mm. There's these little cleaner tip things, work pretty well. A little hammer, light, little picks, and a long extension. And let's get started. So first off, we just want to loosen that right there. Just a Phillips head, and then this side on this inlet, just another Phillips head, and we'll be able to wiggle out the air box. If you want to make a big mess, you just turn your fuel cut off to the left there. And let's get this removed. Alright, once you remove the air box, you can see the carburetor. Just lots of tubes you'll need to loosen. Some on this side. And then on this side, here's the throttle casing. It's just a single Phillips head right up there. And then this is another one you have to loosen. And then we'll disconnect some wiring underneath and you should be able to pull out the carburetor. Here's another view if you want to freeze frame it for any reason. Alright, and you can loosen the carburetor now and have kind of full access. There's the throttle. You need to loosen those bolts and then pull this cable out. And we'll loosen this one, little wrench right there, and we should be free. And then don't forget the wires underneath. Right there. So here's the new and old one side by side. Overall, pretty much the same physical size and layout. They do give you all the tubing for all the fuels, so you can replace that on your ATV as well. Do notice on my old one, some of these were just either cut or just acted as vent tubes when I bought it, so these actually connect together. A big thing is a lot of the ones you get on Amazon don't have this male version. They have the female version, so be careful. This is the original right here. And just turn it around, see what the difference is. So yeah, on the new one, it actually connects with a throughway. And on this one, it just vents out. The new one also comes with throttle cable. I won't be replacing it, but they do give you a new one. And also inline fuel filter. These will help clog it up, prevent clogging and any debris from your fuel tank. There's a directional on it right there. And a cover for the throttle cable. And I'll leave a link below where you can get it. It's about $40 on Amazon. There's a lot of $20 ones, but you do have to splice your old electrical cable from your old one and put it on the cheaper $20 Amazon one. Alright, let's put it back in, just in reverse. Alright, just like before, just to kind of do everything in reverse. I'll kind of go over it briefly right here with you. So here's the fuel line. Just use a flathead to tighten that down right there onto the new carburetor. Then you'll do the throttle body cable, and it comes with a little plastic cover right there. So that's pretty self-explanatory. And then you'll make sure you do your heater cable right there. And like I said, if you buy some of those cheaper Amazon carburetors, you'll have to splice your old cable and then plug it in there. Then this is all the various vent tubes. I just kind of zip tied it to the side there. And then you have your little other throttle cable right there. There you go. And then we'll just connect the airbox and start it up, see if it works.